we'll start out the basics, kind of show you what a bottom board is. This one's aged a little bit. This is our bottom board. This kind of acts as the floor of the hive. Then you're going to add your deep brood box, which you want to make sure it's squared right on there. Then in that brood box, you have a feeder and 9 frames. So pretty much to install bees, you have a package of bees, and I'm going to fill some food in the reservoir here. This gets them going for about a couple weeks. This feeder will hold 1 gallon of bee feed. So now once you get your feeder filled up, we're just going to take a few of these frames out, give room for the package of bees to be put in. Here's some old frames. Now we got a package of bees here. This is a 3-pound package of bees. It's in a cage. The queen has a little metal tab here. Here's a feeder can which provides food for them during their transit. So typically what I do is I'll just grab this guy here. I'll do a good slap, couple smacks down, slide out. That gets me time to get to the queen, and has a cork at the end. So typically on this one, we'll grab a little marshmallow, and I'm just going to remove that cork. Good rule of thumb is you want to make sure the queen's on the other side before you pull the cork out. You put your finger over it, put your cork down. So there she's down there. I'm going to wait for her to go back to the other side. Then put that marshmallow right in that little hole. It's a time release. Gives time for the bees to get used to the queen. So now we have marshmallow. Queen's there. One great thing about these frames is we'll just pop that thing out. Pop that one back in there. Kind of locks it in there. I'll turn it sideways. Turn it sideways will give access to the bees to feed the queen, and with access to marshmallow at the bottom. So I'll actually put her right in the middle for now. Then we're going to install these packages right here. So we're going to pry this up one more time. Do another kind of a couple slaps on there. There's your feeder can. And you just want to get them, and you're going to be just dump the bees in. And it might help to kind of hit some sides, but typically. Then you'll have some remaining bees in there. I usually leave it at the very front of the entrance. They'll climb out. Then I'll just grab my frames and put them in nice and easy. Give time to the bees to get out of the way. Now we're going to get our inner cover. Put our inner cover on. Then we'll grab our top and put our top on. Then typically I'll just grab these guys and find the feeder can, and I'll just leave them outside so the bees could feed off the remaining feed. And that's it.